I remember welding for the first time specifically and changing my mind and deciding that is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. So my name's Tony Bilski. I own and operate Decorative Metal Solutions, and I've been in the welding industry for 15 years. Growing up, I was always interested in building things, and when I was younger, I happened to come across a motorcycle shop that needed somebody as a helper, and then I started working for them as a fabricator. After I finished my first welding project, I definitely saw the door open to possibilities, and that's 100% true. When I first welded and realized what I could do in a fab shop, I realized that I was going to be able to build things that I've only imagined. When I started Decorative Metal Solutions, it was really just a way for me to be my own boss and fabricate things that I wanted to fabricate. And I guess everybody's dream is to always have their own shop where you can build anything that you can think of. It basically took all my tools and put it in one place and created a workspace that was fantastic for me to work out of. So I've done work for Tiffany's, which allowed me to travel all the way to Honolulu to fabricate a handrail on a job site. So I worked 2 weeks in Hawaii, but I stayed 4. It allowed me to experience the island. We took jeeps around the island. We surfed. I stayed at hotels that I would have never gone to and met great people. When I saw the finished product, I was very, very excited and happy and proud of what I did. I showed everybody I knew. Everybody wanted pictures. Everybody knew that I was in Hawaii and building something. If I were to sum up fabrication, I would say that it's mostly problem solving. A lot of architects will come to me to build something for a building that no one else will build. And being my own boss allows me to cater to those people and really sit down with them and develop a product that we want to build that will be beneficial for everybody. To be honest, the coolest thing I've ever made was for a friend that was suffering from Parkinson's that could not use a needle because of the shaking. And I developed a system for him to draw the fluid out of and be able to give himself injections so that he could be all right. We sat down together and developed some sort of system that would make it easier for him to be able to take the medicine that he needed to take. So welding is definitely a career that has a lot of opportunities. We need fabricators. I look for guys all the time. Some people are interested but don't have the skills, so I suggest going to school for that. But if you're determined to be a fabricator, you can be a fabricator. If you are getting resistance from your parents, or just because because you're going against the grain right now, I would definitely attempt fabrication and show people what you can do before you completely rule it out. There's definitely a lot of variety in what I do. It definitely keeps me on my toes, keeps it very interesting to go to work every day, and exciting.